Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how you can very easily and quickly add the function of sending money to the control center on your iPhone with iOS 18. Dear friends, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also put your likes under the video and write your comments after watching. And let us get started with you. And first, you need to swipe on the screen of your iPhone from the right side from top to bottom to go to the control center. Then on the top left side, tap the plus sign. Then at the bottom, tap Add to Control Center. So friends, this will take you to such a menu where you can select any of the options to add to Control Center. And now you're gonna search in the search box for a feature which is called Tap to Cash. This feature will help you to send funds without any problem or any delay, so that you just have to tap your device, your iPhone, to another iPhone, and then you can open your bank offers and send money. That is, you will not need to enter any additional data, such as passwords, card number, any other data, and so on. That is, everything will be done much faster. Just tap in one phone to the other. So, to add a feature, click on it. And as you can see, it's now added to the control center. But you can also drag and drop it to wherever you want. Also, friends, you can resize this app and leave it as you want. Then, to save the changes you have made, just click on the empty box. And as you can see, this option has been added. This is the way you friends can add money sending feature to Control Center on iOS 18 iPhone. I really hope this video was helpful to you. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also put your likes and write comments. Take care, friends.